Magaya software includes a list of ports worldwide, including airports, seaports, and more. In this video, we'll show you how to add additional ports and how to make your operations easier using the ports list. We'll also see the lists of schedules K and D codes for customs. Let's look at the ports list and then add to it. Open the maintenance folder and take a look at the ports included. To build your own list or to add a port to the list, click the Add button. This button has two options. You can select from the existing list of ports or add one manually. For this example, let's click Select Ports. In the dialog box, the country field defaults to the country in your company profile. Change it if needed. Enter a city or port name in the filter field. Click Find. In the list of available ports, you can verify a port has the modes of transport you need by double-clicking it to see details. Select the port you need from the results and click the Add button. The port will be added to the list of ports to be used by operations in your system. To add ports to your shipment, go to the Routing tab. Click any field related to ports, such as the port of unloading, and select your port from the drop-down list. In this ocean shipment example, the port that I'm using must have ocean access. Otherwise, the system will not enable use of that port for the transaction. Since you selected these ports in your ports list, you don't have to go searching for them each time you create a shipment. You can also see a list of ports by U.S. Customs codes Schedule D and K. Schedule D codes are U.S. ports. Schedule K codes are ports outside of the United States. The latest Schedules D and K ports are updated regularly in your system. But you can update each list manually by opening them from the Actions button in the ports list. Then click the Actions button in the Schedule D or K list to update. Magaya retrieves current port information directly online, so your system is updated. You can define zones with zip codes so the system will automatically pull that port into the transaction you're creating. First, let's see how it works, then we'll see how to match them in the ports list. For example, in the Pickup Order transaction, go to the Shipper tab. When you select the pickup location, if the pickup location has the same zip code as a zone you defined and matched, the place field in the transaction will fill in automatically. This is useful for pickup locations you use frequently. To match the zip code and the port, go to the ports list, click Actions, and select Zone Definitions. To add a zone definition, click the Add button. Enter the name, zip code, state or region, and port or place for your zone. Click OK to save. Now the place field on the transaction will fill in automatically when the pickup location has the same zip code as the zone you defined. One less field to fill in. See our other videos on adding entities and the knowledge base for additional configuration options and features for your Magaya system. Thanks for watching.